Hi guys, good day everyone. My name is Cheska Sofia Ayn I de La Paz, 16 years old, and my birthday is on April 19, 2009. I live at Barangay Paltok, Quezon City. In junior high school, I went to Don Alejandro Rosas Senior Science and Technology High School. In senior high, I chose Ramon Magsaysay because it offers the strand I want to take. And I chose ABM because it's related to the course I want to take in college. The three interesting things about me is I love to cook, I love to dance, and I love to play volleyball. My goal for this subject is to learn more and to aim a high grades. And lastly, I see this subject as a fun, interesting, and memorable po.